and welcome once again to Thompson & Smith. And today we're very pleased to offer this lovely little low mileage one owner from new Honda Jazz 1.4 100 PS I-VTEC ES Plus model. I've got the car ticking over already. I'm just going to take you in first of all to show you the 16-inch alloy wheels. And then just walk down the driver's side of the vehicle. Come to the offside rear view. And now just take you into the boot area. The car's owned on 26,000 miles from new, has full service history. You see there, good size family boot with a 60/40 split rear seats. Into the near side rear. And just take you for a close up of the rear seating area. All in lovely condition. You see you've got the rear privacy glass there. Into the near side front. And then just take you around and just show you some of the spec. Okay, we'll just jump in and work our way across. So we've got electric windows, front and rear, electric mirrors which are folding. You can see on this button here. Also cruise control. To work our way across, see the radio, CD or climate control. You can change the temperature. Up and down this button here. Manual gearbox. I'll just take you across to the service book. As you can see there, full history from day one. Recently been serviced at 25,907 miles. It's now done 26,825. So we'll just work our way out of the vehicle for one last look. Now, the car would come with 6 months RAC nationwide Platinum warranty. And we do offer nationwide delivery. If you'd like to know more about this car, you can ring myself, Tom, on 01507 602222 or visit our website www.thompsonsmith.co.uk. Thanks again for viewing.